Vishram, pray, sadhan.
Your decision to kill your addiction will only become reality if you believe and reinforce the fact that you have the capacity to do it. Today, we gather to shed light on an issue that affects millions worldwide, drug addiction. It's a topic that demands understanding, attention, and action. Throughout this assembly, we will explore the complexities of addiction, its impacts on individuals and communities, and most importantly, ways we can support those in need and prevent future cases.
With these enlightening cases, I, Navdeep,
And I, Puneet,
alongside my group, delighted to welcome you all in today's assembly. Prayer is simply talking to a God, just like a friend, and should be the easiest thing we do each day. So, to get the blessings of the God, here comes our classmate for the prayer.
एक तू ही भरोसा, एक तू ही सहारा, इस तेरे जहां में नहीं कोई हमारा। ईश्वर या अल्लाह ये पुकार सुन ले, ईश्वर या अल्लाह ये दाता, ईश्वर या अल्लाह ये पुकार सुन ले, ईश्वर या अल्लाह ये दाता। हमसे न देखा जाए बर्बादियों का समा, उजड़ी हुई बस्ती में ये तड़प रहे इंसान। हमसे न देखा जाए बर्बादियों का समा, उजड़ी हुई बस्ती में ये तड़प रहे इंसान। इस तेरे जहां में नहीं कोई हमारा, ईश्वर या अल्लाह ये पुकार सुन ले, ईश्वर या अल्लाह ये दाता, ईश्वर या अल्लाह ये पुकार सुन ले, ईश्वर या अल्लाह ये दाता, ईश्वर या अल्लाह ये दाता, ईश्वर या अल्लाह ये दाता।
as a citizen or as a social being of India, we have some duties towards our country. Pledge instills a sense of patriotism among us. So here comes Ranjot for pledge.
Take your right hand near to your heart. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be and worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Along lies my happiness. Thank you.
We are not the only ones who understand the importance of being a cheerful giver. God Himself also lovingly gives to us. He generously gives us protection, comfort, wisdom, strength, knowledge, peace, and much more. But the greatest thing, He gives us His blessings. So here comes Arnav for God Divine.
Good morning everyone. Today's God Divine is Karam the Vadika Raste Maflesho Kadachan, a line from Bhagavad Gita, which means you have the only right to work, but not for its fruit. Let not the fruit of your action be your motive. Let not your attachment be your unaction. Thank you.
Substance abuse is like a roller coaster with only one direction, downhill. It promises thrill and delivers destruction. To enhance your direction in your life, here's come Adyan with message.
Good morning everyone. Today we confront a pressing issue of drug addiction. It is a pervasive challenge that knows no boundaries. It grips individuals from all backgrounds, eroding health, relationships and future. However, amidst this darkness, there is hope. Addiction is not insurmountable. It is a battle that can be won with support, understanding and compassion. However, we can win this challenge with love, compassion and understanding. By fostering a community of understanding, empathy and assistance, we can break the chains of addiction. Thank you.
Reading newspaper is a good habit. Newspaper is a great source of knowledge and information related to sports, economy, politics, etc. So here comes Simar.
Good morning everyone. Today I am here with some informative news headlines. First, terrorist attacked Air Force convoy in Mendel subdivision of Punch district on Saturday evening. One Jawan died and 5 others injured. Second, according to the official data shared by the central government, the number of people affected by drug abuse in J&K has reached nearly about 8%. Some economic news: J&K Bank reports highest ever annual profit of rupees 1767 crore for FY24. Some sports news: in yesterday's match between Lucknow and Kolkata, Kolkata Knight Riders won by 98 runs. Some weather news: maximum 32 degrees Celsius, minimum 20 degrees Celsius, humidity 35%. And that's all from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.
Addiction to substances such as alcohol, opioids and others can have devastating consequences on one's health, relationship and overall well-being. Understanding the nature of addiction, its causes, its impact is crucial in developing effective prevention and treatment. So to tell you more about this topic, here comes Pratiksha for speech.
Good day everyone. I am Pratiksha of Standard 10 and I am here to talk on the topic drug abuse. Certain consumption of drugs and how it is destroying the life of our youth is a point of discussion in this scenario. Drugs, as we all know, are illegal matter which some people smoke, inject, eat or drink for the physical and mental effects that it leaves. There are several students who consume drugs out of fun, out of unfair expectations. The people who deal in selling of drugs are actually creating a network and mainly target the students to get involved in this network. They start buying and consuming it. Initially, the drugs are sold to the students for free, and gradually, when they get addicted to it, they start buying and consuming it. In fact, the students eventually get involved in this network and start dealing in it. It is observed that the students start consuming drugs out of stress, out of unfair expectations of their parents as well as their teachers. Lack of emotional support disorder in their family make them vulnerable and increase their dependency on drugs. Many of them use these drugs to calm down their state of mental agitation. Other than this is poverty, which force the students to get involved in selling of drugs and derive their pocket money. Therefore, it comes like a vicious cycle of drug-addicted students from which they found no escape until the society comes for the rescue. Sadly, the students fail to realize that the consumption of drugs has a severe impact on their mental as well as physical health, such as they start experiencing mental disorder, their intelligence level decreases, they even experience deadly diseases and untimely death. These are the several reasons why they use drugs. When one completely succumbs to the temptation of drugs, it's very difficult for him or her to come over the impact of drugs. Such as in drug rehabilitation centers, they gain a new life, but many cases it involves a high case. But in many cases, the drug rehabilitation centers also fail due to the worst condition of the patients. Therefore, students must refrain themselves completely away from the usage of drugs before it destroys their health, future, and the life of their life. Don't even try to touch or come close to them. Drugs can even destroy the whole generation. So think wise and act smart. Shape your future which seems bright and full of achievements. The drugs the patients prescribe to his or her patients must be taken in order to combat the specific disease. Otherwise, government must take strict measures to ban illegal trade market and save our youth from the destruction. I want to conclude by saying that together we can build a society where everyone has the opportunity to live free from any kind of addiction. Let us stand united and to fight against the drug addiction in the sake of our family, our community and our collective future. Thank you.
Now, let's take a moment to reflect on the impact of drug addiction. It tears family apart, undermines the fabric of society and potential and dignity. However, we believe that through collective commitment and combat, we can combat this scourge and bring a healthier drug-free future. So, here we have Sugandhi for oath.
Good morning, everyone. Do you all know if you want to take any concrete step in your life, then that is to take an oath. Now, I request to all of you to kindly take your right hand towards your heart for an oath. I solemnly pledge to stand against a drug addiction. I will strive to lead a drug-free life and encourage others to do the same. I pledge to help those who are suffering from drug addiction I'll pledge to educate myself and others about the substance abuse. I will work toward community and a society in which substance abuse is not tolerated. And every individual has an opportunity to live drug-free life. Thank you.
Small act when multiplied by millions of people can transform the world. Here comes our classmate with small presentation.
The best way to say yes to your future is to say no to drugs.
Choose health, choose happiness, choose life, say no to drugs.
नशा करने से पहले विचार करो क्या वास्तव में यही है तुम्हारी जिंदगी का सपना?
Addiction is like a cage with an open door. The hardest part is finding the strength to walk out.
A body is a temple, keep it drug free.
नशा 4 दिन की खुशी के बदले 4 दिन का दुख देता है.
नशा करोगे तो जीवन खो दोगे, नशे को छोड़ोगे तो खुद को पालोगे.
नशा जीवन के सपनों को जला देता है, सपनों को नशे में उलझा देता है.
नशा एक अंधेरे सपने की तरह है जो जीवन की सच्चाई को छुपा देता है.
नशा ही नाश है, इसमें जीवन का सर्वनाश है. Say no to drugs.
Thank you.
हे सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है, सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका जब तक दिल में जान है. With these lines, here comes our classmate for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा. विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा. तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे. गाहे तब जय गाथा, जनगण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय हे.
Lastly, I would like to say that if you can quit for a day, you can quit for lifetime. With this, I, Puneet, along with my co-anchor
Navdeep Singh,
would like to conclude today's assembly. Thank you.
assembly dispersed.